What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy Sabgiti, for those of you that do not know. Before I get into this video, I would like to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and liking the videos, and yeah, just showing your girl some love. On today's video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve this simple effortless makeup look. This is my everyday go-to look. I don't wear makeup every day, but whenever I do, and I'm just not trying to do too much, or I maybe just don't have the time, this is always the look that I will generally gravitate towards. It's very simple, it's neutral. As you can see, I don't even have lashes on. Like, that's how simple this look is. I'm also just going to be running you guys through some of the products that I use and what has been working for me for the past couple of years, I suppose. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this, please do keep on watching, and remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next one. So I have already done my brows. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I will add a card of my brow tutorial up here, and then I think let me just. So I had a bit of a mic malfunction, so I'm going to voice over through the rest of this video. These are the two foundations that I'm using currently. I normally interchange between the two depending on the coverage that I'm going for. The Maybelline one has great coverage that is also quite buildable if you wanna cover the dark marks or pigmentation in your skin. Personally, I am not too pressed about my dark marks showing. In fact, I like them showing. It just gives it a bit more of a natural look. The Rimmel London foundation that has a very light coverage, which I think is perfect for those I'm wearing makeup but not really kind of looks. And today I am going to be mixing these two because I think they balance each other quite nicely in terms of shade, because normally you'll find that your skin tone will become a bit darker in the summer because it's a little hot, sun rays and that kind of thing, and in the winter, because there isn't much sun, your skin tone, or my skin tone, would be just a little slightly lighter. So I mix the two sometimes just to get that perfect match. So for concealer, the ultimate fave is obviously LA Girl, but today I'm switching it up with the Design Foundation Stick I got from Edgar's ages ago. I think it blends really well with the foundation, and it really just makes for a really understated highlights, because really you're like not trying to do too much. And I just blend that in with the same beauty blender that I used to blend in my foundation. I've been really enjoying this Essence Compact Powder, which I use to set my entire face, but I'm going to be using this Revlon Candid Loose Powder to set my highlighted areas. So that's all of the areas that I put on that lighter shade of the foundation, the Design foundation stick. So I am not doing the whole baking thing. I'm really just packing the powder on and blending it in immediately using my powder brush. You filled up your life with me. I filled up my life with you. You filled up your life with me. I filled up my life with you. just to add a bit of color to my eyes, I'm using this Maybelline pressed powder. I think the shade is Espresso. It's a darker shade. I just sweep this all over my eyelids. This just gives, that bit of a touch of eyeshadow. This is actually the same powder that I use to contour my face as well. And with that same shade, I'm going to contour my nose. So you see how easy this is. I am practically using one product for a million things. I used it on my eyes, I used it to contour my face, and now I'm using it to contour my nose. So then I just take my Essence compact powder just to blend out, the contour, and just make sure that everything else is, looking nice and seamless. This just blends out all of the harsh lines and just softens everything up. Next, I just finish off my eyes with a simple black eyeliner and black mascara that just, makes the eyes come together. I am not putting on any lashes because, like I said at the beginning, that this is a really simple, easy, and effortless look. And then I just pop on some blush for the cheeks, just to give them a bit of color. And I'm also going to go in with my Ellie Girl highlighter, for the glow. And yeah, we're almost done. And in everything you do not forget to put on some setting spray. This is just going to help, bring the look together, make everything, stick and stay put together for the entire day. So I've just sprayed some setting spray. I'm not sure which one this is, I can't remember, but yeah. And then just to finish off this look, I'm just going to take my brown lip liner that I'm just going to use to line my lips, and just pop on some gloss or my go-to lip therapy from this Kim. Like, she's the girl that she thinks she is. And finish off the lips. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, remember to comment, and to subscribe, and I will see you on my next one.